Hello friends and viewers of the channel. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. More helpful repair videos are coming soon. Today we're replacing the clutch on this 2010 Ford C-Max with a 2.0 diesel engine. First, we drain the gearbox all and disconnect the battery for safety. Next, we start removing the drive shafts. Loosen the drive shaft bolts using a 13mm socket. Then remove the ball joints on the control arms with a 21mm wrench. We continue step by step. I'll show the full process in detail. We've removed all the bolts and pulled out the short drive shaft. Now we move to the other side and repeat the same steps. Additionally, you will need to remove the bracket holding the bearing, which is secured by two 13mm nuts. After that, the long drive shaft comes out easily as well, and we can continue with the disassembly. Next, we remove the lower engine mount. You'll need 13, 15, and 17mm wrenches for this step. Once the mount is removed, we move on to the starter. First, disconnect the wires. The main wire with a 13mm wrench. The smaller one with a 10mm wrench. Then we remove the starter itself. It is secured with three 13mm bolts. One bolt from the starter side, and two bolts at the top from the transmission side. Great! Now we move to the top. Remove the battery, the air filter housing, and the battery tray. Then disconnect and unbolt everything that gets in the way: grounds, connectors, hoses. After that, loosen the upper bolts that hold the gearbox. Leave the lower bolts in place for now. Great! Everything is disconnected and we're almost ready to pull the gearbox out. Now place a support under the engine so we can remove the engine mount. It is held by three bolts with a 15mm wrench. Once the mount is removed, carefully support the gearbox and unscrew the remaining lower bolts that hold the transmission in place. Now the gearbox can be removed and set aside. Great! We are almost done. The gearbox is removed. Using a 10mm wrench, unscrew all the bolts that hold the clutch pressure plate and remove the disc works T50. While we are here, we will also replace the crankshaft oil seal that is leaking. Attention! After installing the new oil seal, do not start the engine for at least 4 hours. We also replace the release bearing. Then assemble everything back in reverse order.